Today we're exploring the basics of Bitcoin. Have you ever wondered why Bitcoin is called digital gold, or why it's such a big deal in the financial world? By the end of this video, you'll understand Bitcoin's common use cases, its potential for value appreciation, and the technology behind it. Let's jump right in with some background on money itself. Historically, money has been crucial in facilitating trade and economic growth. Early forms of money included items like shells, beads, and precious metals because they were widely accepted, durable, and portable. For example, ancient Egyptians used a system of weights for precious metals. Like ancient societies sought efficient trade tools, Bitcoin aims to solve modern financial inefficiencies. These early systems evolved to meet the needs of growing economies and societies. Let's talk about the gold standard and its link to today's fiat currency system. The gold standard was a system where a country's currency value was directly tied to gold. While it provided stability, it was eventually abandoned during the Great Depression because it limited economic flexibility. After the gold standard, the US became the world's primary reserve currency. This happened after World War II with the Bretton Woods Agreement, which pegged the dollar to gold at a fixed rate. However, in 1971, this system ended and we moved to the fiat currency system, a system where money derives its value from government decree rather than intrinsic value. To understand Bitcoin, we need to explore a few economic concepts like foreign exchange, inflation, and the stock-to-flow ratio. Foreign exchange, this is the process of converting one's currency into another, which is essential for international trade. Inflation. Think of inflation like your grocery bill, getting more expensive over time. It refers to the rate at which the general level of prices of goods and services rise, eroding purchasing power over time. Stock-to-flow ratio. Imagine having a rare gem that takes years to mine. It's scarce, just like Bitcoin. The stock-to-flow ratio compares the current stock of an asset to the flow of new production. A higher ratio indicates scarcity, enhancing an asset's value as a store of value. This concept is particularly relevant for Bitcoin and gold. Bitcoin was introduced in 2008 by an anonymous person or a group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. The first Bitcoin block, also known as the Genesis block, was mined in 2009. Since then, Bitcoin has reached significant milestones. In 2010, Bitcoin saw its first commercial transaction when 10,000 Bitcoin were exchanged for 2 pizzas. Fast forward to today, and Bitcoin value has soared, reaching over $100,000 in 2024. Milestones like the introduction of Bitcoin futures, increased institutional investment, and countries like El Salvador adopting Bitcoin as legal tender have solidified its place in financial history. Think of Bitcoin as digital money that operates online. It runs on a technology called the blockchain, which is like a giant, unchangeable notebook where every transaction is recorded. To make a Bitcoin transaction, you use a special key, a super secure, unique code that lets you send and receive Bitcoin safely. Bitcoin transactions are validated by miners. These miners use powerful computers to solve complex puzzles and add new transactions to the blockchain, ensuring that the system remains secure and fair. Miners are like security guards who ensure no one cheats by writing false information into the system. Blockchain is essentially a public Google Doc where everyone can see updates, but only verified contributors can make changes. Bitcoin is often called digital gold, and for good reason. It's scarce, durable, and easily transferable. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist, making it a limited resource. Unlike gold, Bitcoin doesn't need a vault and is instantly transferable across the globe. It's also divisible, so you can send small amounts quickly and cheaply. These features make Bitcoin a strong store of value, especially during times of economic uncertainty. From its historical roots to its cutting-edge technology, Bitcoin is reshaping the financial landscape. Whether you're intrigued by its potential store as value or fascinated by the blockchain technology behind it, Bitcoin offers something for everyone. If you found this informative, don't forget to like and subscribe.